Hello, everyone. Hi, this is my name is Sergi. I'm from JIQ.AI. I'm the technical sales manager here at JIQ.AI, and I'm here with Mike, our global customer director, and we are glad to have everybody of you here with us on this webinar. Today, we will be talking about conversational AI, about using AI in banks, and the main purpose of this webinar is to invite you to a free pilot project with us, where we will build a AI robot for doing outbound, inbound calls for banks, and you will see all the benefits of how AI technology can support you in your everyday bank operations. If you will have any questions today, so please leave them below in the comments section. We will reach you out in the DM, and we will answer all your questions after the webinar. So let's start.
Yeah, thank you, Serge. Hi, hi, everyone. Well, firstly, let me remind you about our company's expertise in conversational AI. In 2023, we successfully conducted 2 million calls for banks per week. And our dedicated infrastructure and business processes are supported by 40 specialists proficient in scripts, data analysis, machine learning, etc. And we have developed expertise in handling a wide range of 100 and more than 100 banking scenarios that can easily be scaled to meet evolving needs.
Well, basically, what kind of problems can we solve with AI robots, with the help of conversational AI in banks, in your everyday uh, banking business processes that are dedicated to sales, retention, and revenue tasks? So. We all have competitors. We need to be ahead of our competitors. We need to reach out our customers before our competitor reaches out the customers we need. And also, this conversational AI is about cutting cost on your Salesforce operations. And we are a company that is dedicated to solve these two main problems. Our AI robots are will the serve basically the solutions to cut cost your daily Salesforce operations, and and significantly increase the pace of your Salesforce as well.
Well, as we see, the primary goal of conversational AI is to automate and handle routine processes without compromising quality and conversion rates. With over 95% of banking scripts being automatable, it is essential to have a robot capable of speaking, thinking, and responding like a human to effectively handle these tasks. Well, and however, relying only on a single robot may not be sufficient for a high quality business process. That's why we offer seamless integrations with banking programs,
Right.
software such as CRM, telephony, and various billing programs. And by doing so, the robot can replace the need for hundreds of operators, resulting in significant resource saving for your company.
Yeah, that's right, Mike. So we propose a pilot project for everybody of you here on the webinar. So we invite you to go on a pilot project with us, and you completely do not have. you're not going to be involved in any risks in any in the additional costs for this pilot project. We will just make a free AI robot for you, just for you to understand how your business can benefit from conversational AI, how you can automate your daily business processes, how can they be more effective. You have no risks to you have no risks handling in this project, and no additional cost from your side is going to be involved here.
Well, here is the brief description of a typical banking case that we work with day after day. The infrastructure is ready, the specialists are integrated into the business processes, and it is not difficult for us to scale. And we offer you to test this expertise and experience for free. So all the numbers are on your screens. Okay, Serge, will you
Yeah.
go on? Yeah.
So let's just listen to a couple of examples of how the AI robot can work in a bank. So, what kind of jobs it can basically handle. So, as I said, we are supporting outbound and inbound calls. So, in the outbound call operation, there could be a lot of upselling processes, customer retention processes, information and notifications about your services or other kind of events in your business. So let's just look on how an AI robot can offer a new service for an existing customer.
This is Angela from. I hope you're having a great day. I noticed that you're already benefiting from our credit card. How about we explore some additional options that could provide you with even more financial flexibility and security?
Hi, what kind of options are you talking about?
We designed some exclusive offers tailored to your needs, such as financial insurance in case of unemployment. Will this be a relevant product you would like to consider?
What do I need to do to activate the policy?
We can send you an activation link to your personal account on your website. You will just need to access your personal account with your password and find the policy description and activation link in your inbox. Shall I send the link to your account right now? If you activate the policy by the end of June, you will have a 5% discount on the annual policy price.
What are the terms of the policy? What do I pay for?
As I said, you will have a policy term description in your personal account and will be able to understand the full scope. The policy will cost an exceptional $650 annually and gives the opportunity to receive up to $20,000 in case of sudden unemployment. Shall I send the link to your account right now?
Yes, please.
Excellent. Please check your personal bank account to see the activation link and more details on the policy term. I will remain at your disposal for any further questions, and you will have my contacts in the personal message in your inbox. Have a great day, and thank you for being a customer of our bank.
Yeah. Sounds like a real live agent.
Yeah, and one of the main benefits is that basically our customers can have this kind of conversation going. There could be at the same time there could be 200 lines per second running. So 200 customers of yours can be offered with can be sales pitched with a new product at one time, at 1 second. You will remove a very significant amount of routine work from your salespeople and from your call center staff. Let's look at another example, and this is going to be an NPS survey, which is also conducted on daily basis with a lot of people. So let's listen to how the robot can handle this kind of operation.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello. Yeah, I'm doing quite alright, thank you.
I'm calling you from bank. We're conducting a survey on the quality of our service, and we'd love to hear your opinion. Do you have a few minutes?
Yeah, sure. A few minutes is okay.
Okay, great. As I see here, you have a bank credit card. Is that right?
Yeah, of course I do. I have a bank credit card.
Okay, great. Well, we'd like to know how likely it is that you would recommend bank to your friends and family members. Please, could you indicate a number from 0 to 10, where 10 means definitely recommend?
Okay, I would say probably a 7 or an 8, thereabouts.
Thanks for your rating. Tell me, what do you think we need to do to improve so that next time you would give us a 10?
Basically, just the general quality of service, I would say.
Thanks so much for your time and your opinion. We really appreciate your business. Goodbye.
Oh, thank you very much. It's my pleasure. Have a lovely day too.
Yeah, and
Right.
just imagine how many interactions between the customers and the banks are throughout the day, and the more NPS surveys the bank gets, the more sharp it is. So this
Yeah,
is
right.
yeah, the fastest way to extract the information about the quality.
Yes, and you can change your processes and you can know very quickly about what the customers think about your services and how can you improve. So let's look at one of the very important processes as well. So a lot of banks will like to have their customers being preliminary informed about an upcoming loan payment, just to decrease the overdue debt volume.
Okay.
With important information about your upcoming loan payment.
Hello, what do I need to know?
Certainly, Mr. Johnson. Your next loan payment is scheduled for the 26th of October. The amount due is $567.56. This payment covers your car service loan that you've been managing with us.
Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. I'm here to assist you with any further questions you might have. If you're set up for automatic payments, you don't need to worry about anything. The payment will be processed as scheduled. If you prefer to make a manual payment, please make sure to submit the payment before the due date to avoid any potential late fees or impacts on your credit.
Perfect. Is there anything else I need to know?
You're all set. If you have any further questions, need assistance with anything else, or if your plans change, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you with your banking needs.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Johnson. Have a wonderful day and feel free to contact us anytime if you need anything. Take care.
And the important thing here is that we have more than 100 such like situations already experienced with banks. So these
Yeah,
are only three of them. Just the most
yeah, just
noticeable.
out of the box solutions. So we have all the business processes, and so we have all the robots just ready there for banks to use in their daily call outbound and inbound call operations.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Some of the banks may still rely on the outdated interactive voice response (IVR) technology, where customers are required to navigate through the menu by pressing different numbers like press 1 for this, press 2 for that. But however, in most cases, the customer simply wants to speak with an operator directly. And by replacing IVR with a direct request approach, clients can be immediately understood and efficiently directed to the appropriate specialist or promptly receive a response to their inquiry. And this approach significantly enhances productivity and improves customer satisfaction. and consider the numbers and see the benefits of moving away from traditional IVR systems. So
That's
47% less cost of keeping a customer on the line and 23% first call resolution rate growth.
that's right. And so once again, what kind of results can a bank achieve from using conversational AI robots for outbound and inbound? It can significantly increase their conversion rates from call to contract, from call to subscription to a new product or to a new service. Um, you the bank can significantly cut costs on their Salesforce staff and on their and for their call center staff. And as we offer different kind of business process automation, but regarding to the examples that we have shown today, one of our best results on decreasing overdue depths is decreasing it by 60%. So you just imagine you are just notifying your um, loan holders about the payments that they need to do in just within some days, and they just stop overdoing those payments.
Yes, and why with us? Let's sum everything up. So this is not a risk for you. You don't have any investments in terms of money, in terms of time. Everything is handled by our team. We are professionals, especially in the banking industry. We conduct more than 160 million calls per year. And finally, you'll get transparent, absolutely transparent result and detailed report on your KPIs that could be previously set. And uh, finally, you'll understand how we hit the KPIs by means of the voice AI. And
Well, let us tell you guys about a little bit about what this conversational AI robot is about. So we basically do a specific natural language understanding model, which uses ChatGPT model and speech to text and text to speech technologies. Um, Everything together, it forms up to a automated robot that can understand human speech, process the process all the questions inside the GPT-3 model, which we pre-train in order to understand all the specific conversations that you have on your side with your customers, and then to generate a relevant response. And this response is going to be a synthesis to a voice, to a human-like speech, and then the robot will respond to your customer. And this is done within just seconds, and enables the whole technology enables to just listen to your customer and respond to him just quickly as possible, just like a human being.
yeah, Serge, just tell about how the webinar members can jump in the pilot.
Right. So right now we will send you a link where you can register for a free pilot project with us. The link is going to be in the comments below to the video, and so please register. Leave your name, your company name, email address, and just tell us a little bit more about what kind of processes would you like to automate with conversational AI technology, and we will come back to you and right pilot project that we will need.
Yeah, well, Thank you all. That concludes our discussion for today. If you have been contemplating where to find a reliable contractor for your bank, look no further. This is exactly your opportunity. Don't wait for competitors to outpace you. Instead, take a leap of faith and engage in a secure free pilot project. We embrace everyone and invite you to join our JIQ.AI family.
Thanks.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everybody, to for being with us today. Goodbye.
Goodbye.